Transform a tiny corner into a gorgeous garden, effortless and accessible for all. Welcome to our dedicated haven for nature enthusiasts, garden lovers, and anyone who finds solace in the tranquility of serene landscapes. This is a place where the beauty of nature meets the art of gardening, creating an oasis of relaxation and inspiration. Here, we strive to bring you the most immersive and captivating videos that transport you to a diverse array of garden styles, each with its own distinct charm and vitality. Dive into the lush vibrancy of flower gardens bursting with colour, where every blooming petal tells a story of life and rejuvenation. Marvel at the meticulous planning that goes into herb gardens, where aromatic plants not only delight the senses, but also offer a glimpse into the symbiotic relationship between humans and nature through the culinary and medicinal benefits these gardens provide. Feel the Zen-like peace wash over you as you explore tranquil Japanese gardens, designed with a harmony that speaks to the soul. These spaces emphasize simplicity, natural beauty, and the art of contemplation, inviting you to pause and reflect amidst meticulously raked gravel and elegantly pruned trees. For those dreaming of an escape amidst the hustle and bustle of urban life, our serene rooftop gardens present a sanctuary high above the cityscape, where green meets skyline, and the soothing sounds of rustling leaves blend with distant urban hums. These elevated havens serve as a reminder that nature can thrive anywhere, offering pockets of peace and calm in unexpected places. Each video we present is crafted to take you on a journey into these unique spaces, where the beauty of nature is celebrated through calming visuals and sounds. From the gentle trickle of a koi pond to the rustling leaves of a bamboo grove, these sensory experiences are designed to immerse you fully, allowing you to momentarily escape and recharge. We believe that gardens are not just about plants and aesthetics, but are vital sanctuaries for mental well-being and creativity. This space is an ongoing celebration of nature's splendor and the profound peace it brings to our lives. Whether you are looking for inspiration to start your own garden, seeking a moment of respite in a hectic day, or simply wanting to revel in the beauty of nature, we invite you to join us on this serene journey. Let these videos be a reminder of the simple joys that gardens offer, a testament to nature's resilience, and a call to appreciate the small, beautiful details that often go unnoticed in our daily lives. Welcome to your escape into nature, where every view is a new adventure and every sound a soothing balm for the soul.